Hi, I'm Melanie from Team 2706 Merge Robotics. Merge Robotics is a high school robotics team from Ottawa, Ontario, Canada that competes in the FRC robotics competition. FRC is an international organization that encourages students like me to participate in STEM activities. One of our goals is to inspire the next generation of scientists and engineers. I am joined today by our mascot, Shep, the safety sheep. He always reminds us to be safe, like wearing our safety glasses. Today, we will be learning how to make simple circuits by making a mini brushbot. These are the materials you will need. You will need Scotch tape, a 3-volt battery, a 3-volt pager motor, and a new clean toothbrush head, which we have cut off the handle. Before you start, make sure your motor wires are stripped of the casing. For this, you will need to use your wire strippers. If you do not feel comfortable doing this, you can ask a grown-up for help. To make a simple circuit, you need to connect the wires to the battery. So our battery always has a positive and a negative side. It will send the electrons up the wire from the negative side through the motor, then back through another wire to the positive side. So if you put both the wires on the same side, it won't work. If you only put one wire, it also won't work. But if you put one wire on each side of the battery, it will vibrate, just like this. Now to start building our robot. The first thing you will want to do is to make sure your toothbrush head can stand. Don't be shy to push the bristles to the side if it does not want to stand up. Next, grab your motor and your battery. You will want to take a piece of tape and tape down one side of the battery to a wire. It does not matter which. You want to make sure the metal has good contact with the battery. Then you will take another piece of tape and roll it into a little loop like this. You will put it on your toothbrush head and put the side of the battery that has the tape onto the other piece of tape. Next, you will take another piece of tape and you will fold one of the little corners down like this. This will be the switch to activate and turn off your robot. If you connect this wire to the battery, it will start moving. So once you tape it down, it should start vibrating and moving. When you want to turn it off, you just have to peel off the piece of tape. Once you are happy with the placement of your motor, you peel off this little sticky and you will stick it on to your robot. Then put your tape back on and enjoy your little robot. I hope you enjoyed this little activity. See you soon!